Ryan Whittaker. Ryan Whittaker. Well, see, when I first read the article, I thought his name was Whittaker. No, that's not it at all. Whittaker, dude, I'm fucking stupid. But yeah, seriously, so if you haven't heard, you haven't seen, there's this video, this body camera video from a police officer telling a guy to do something. And when he does it, the cop shoots him dead. He executed this man, Ryan Whittaker. This cop, I don't remember his name because he doesn't deserve a name. He's a piece of shit. He commanded this guy to do something. White guy, by the way. So it's not even because he's black. It's just this cop's a fucking piece of shit. The guy tells him to get down on the ground, and the guy does. And what is his reward for getting on the ground? Getting shot the fuck up. Got shot up. Why? Why would you do this, cop? You just fucked your life up. Oh wait, actually no, he hasn't, because he hasn't been arrested yet for doing it. Why not? Why hasn't this cop and the cop that was with him, why have they not been arrested and charged with murder? Because, yeah, like, you can find this video. Just look up Ryan Whittaker, full video. From what I've seen, this cop executed this man. This is a modern-day execution. Like, you know how for prisoners on death row, we give them lethal injection? They give this guy injection with a fucking gun. This shit is fucking insane. It's insane. It really is. It really is. Like I was really going to talk about, like, why it was wrong, but I mean, if you just watch the video, you can clearly see it's fucking wrong. Like, I've seen some fucking bootlickers, some ass lickers, for the police say, oh, the guy had a gun on him. Yeah, the guy had a gun on him because he was in his own fucking house. If I was in my house, if I had my own house, I'd have my own gun on me at all times. Because why wouldn't you? It's his house. He's doing what he wants in that house. Spoiler alert, the reason the police came to his house was because a neighbor made a noise complaint. That's why. They were responding to a noise complaint, and they murdered the guy for it. So why haven't they been arrested or charged yet? It's very, very interesting to me. Very, such a fucking good question, because, like, the cop who murdered George Floyd, he's in jail right now. Should be in jail at least. Did he get bonded out? I don't know if he did. But he got arrested for it, and he'll get convicted on that. And if that cop ends up walking on those charges, if they find him not guilty, I think they should burn Minneapolis to the ground. That's just what I think. And also, those two fucking clowns, those hillbilly fat racist fucks who killed the Ahmaud Arbery guy, they're in jail too. They're in jail with no bond, and they should get convicted of murder too. But these cops, this cop in particular who murdered this Ron Whittaker guy, they're out on the force right now. They're probably out harassing people over weed right now as I speak. And that's fucking scary. That's really scary. This guy should never be allowed to see the sun again. So yeah, that begs the question: why hasn't this guy been arrested? Why hasn't this guy been arrested? It's such a fucking good question. That's the biggest question I have today. Because this shit's not good. This shit's not good. This cop fucking executed this guy. So yeah, let me know what you think. Watch the video. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.